and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, in case you're wondering. So today's review is on a foundation. It is the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. So I had used these kind of foundation. I think it was Clinique, which thing was claimed in Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, which had a foundation and concealer, and I kind of loved that. And I have seen so many people raving about this product and much about this product, that this is very good, it's a very good drugstore product, this and that. So I had to try it. So in India it was difficult to get hands on it, but now I saw on Nykaa that they have this foundation as well. It's a plus point in case you want to try. I think for 1200 rupees for 10 pounds from Beauty Bay. I couldn't really get it in Nykaa that time when I wanted it so bad. This is a glass bottle. It's a 30 ml product, and I am NC42 in MAC Studio Fix in case you want a shade reference, and I got the shade 07 Sand. It's a bit dark. I mean, it's workable, you know, you can put blush on and mix it with the foundation, or you can work it out. But I would still say that, you know, try and select a lighter shade than 07, because 07 is a bit dark, a teeny tiny bit dark. I mean, you won't even know, but once you wear it for like few hours, you kind of feel that it's getting dark. Or if you're wearing it in the daytime, it looks dark somehow, because it is a darker shade, I think. So if you are my skin tone, maybe if you're NC43, it will be best for you. But if you're somewhere between NC40 to 42, I think you should select a shade lighter. But because I have lights and all, the foundation looks pretty okay. I am wearing this foundation for this video for obvious reasons. But yeah, so let me tell you how this product is. It says medium to full coverage, light free, oil free formula, lightweight oil free formula, long wearing, water resistant and sweat proof. It does not have any SPF in it. Now I have a love and hate relationship, and mostly it is hate relationship, because this is a medium to full coverage foundation for sure. It hides pretty much everything on my skin. So I would say it is medium, it is a full coverage foundation. However, you can shear it down using a beauty blender. So that will be medium to full coverage. Now, I don't know, and it claims to be sweat proof, which I do not agree to. And it is said to be long wearing, which I am not too sure. Now, I have used this foundation so many times thinking that I need to love it, because you know, I got it from UK and all of that jazz. So I really want to love it. I really wanted to like it, love it, whatever. But I don't know actually. I mean, I don't think I like it that much, because it feels very heavy on my skin. I would prefer wearing Maybelline Fit Me foundation instead, which is light and yet gives medium to full coverage to me, and you don't really feel anything. But this one, it feels little heavy on my skin. So when I'm wearing foundation, I can feel that I'm wearing a layer of foundation. And if you're staying in a humid and hot climate, this feels pretty heavy. And this doesn't even last on my skin for that long. I mean, most of the foundation don't last on my skin, that is one thing, except NARS and MAC Studio Fix. Even that doesn't last 8 hours or so. So I would say it's a good foundation if it lasts me around 5 to 6 hours, which this foundation doesn't do. I think after 4 hours it tries to, you know, fade out. And also I've noticed it kind of clings to my patches, you know, the dry patches. So, you know, this happens after 3.5 hours, that, you know, you'll see there's no foundation here and there's some foundation here with little, you know, it's kind of clinging sort of thing to your dry patches, which I hate. So when I'm in office and I come back and I see, you know, my face looks so weird. So I do not use this for a full day outing or office. I might use this for videos, or if I'm going out somewhere for a very short time, because this is not bad, but it kind of settles into my lines as well a bit. It looks, but the positive thing is it looks very good on camera, it looks very good on photos. See, it looks so flawless. I am not even wearing a highlighter. It's kind of giving me a glow kind of a thing, which is good. But for the long day, like if you want to wear it for the entire day or something like that, I do not like it. There are so many people who like it, so it can be that it's my opinion, it can be that it's not suiting my skin, or it can be that it is, I don't know, something wrong with me or my choice. Also, I've noticed I have worn this foundation for like 10 minutes now, and you know, it kind of transfers. If you can see, it kind of transfers and it takes time to dry. So it's already wet, it's already 10 minutes and it's still kind of not drying up. This is okay, but this part is still it's not completely dry. And even if it's dry, whenever I use my phone, I can see a transfer on my phone, which I do not really like. And I'm not even wearing concealer. I have dark circles. I'm not even wearing concealer. I'm trying to, you know, use this to see if it actually conceals. It does conceals to okay limit. If you're okay to show off little dark circles of yours or anything of that sort, it is actually fine. But if you want to cover it up, if you want a full coverage foundation, if you want a full coverage concealer and all, then you might have to add it. Also, the blemishes and all have kind of faded, or not faded, but it is kind of hidden to a point that you know, I can skip my concealer, though I do not really use concealer on my face because I'm okay with it. There are hardly any marks, and whatever marks is there, I'm completely okay with that peeking through my foundation. So my only concern is my under eyes, and for that it's okay. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I can use this totally as my concealer. So yeah, I mean, I'm sorry to confuse you guys, but I don't think I like this foundation. I do not like this foundation. Maybe later I might like, I don't know, but I have been using this for a month, and I cannot wear this and go to office. I mean, I just don't feel like wearing it, and I do not really like this foundation at all. Forgot to show you the packaging. So this is a glass bottle of 30 ml. It comes with a cap, and it has a pump which you all will love. And I'll quickly show you the shade of 07. So, oh my god, my lights are... So that's the 07 shade. The light showed completely different. So it is darker. I think, as I said, for NC42, for NC43 to 45, I think this will be a very good shade. But for NC40 to 42, I would really suggest you try a darker, lighter color. If it's a little light, it's still okay to work. But if it's dark, I don't know. I do not really like it. So if you're confused, by my review, and if I have to say I like it or no, I do not like it, I will totally skip this foundation if I have other foundations on my table. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video useful. It's all about this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment on what you want to see next, and I will do it for you guys. See you next time. Bye.